Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will tell about how and what the answer of my test of my final exam. Okay, the first is about the experimental research. I use the title. The title of the research is the effect of using interactive digital storybook on EFL students' reading comprehension. So the next is, what is the research problem of the effect of using interactive digital storybook on student learning on EFL students' reading comprehension? Is there a significant difference in reading comprehension between EFL students taught using interactive digital storybooks and those taught using conventional printed text? And the next is about the variable. So what is the variable of this research? Is the first is independent variable. And what is the independent variable? The independent variable in this research is use of interactive digital storybooks, and the data will be nominal. It divided into two categories. The first category is interactive digital storybook. The student will use interactive digital storybook as an experimental group, and the next is conventional printed text. The student will use printed text as a control group, and the next is dependent variable. So dependent variable in this research is reading comprehension. The data will be interval. So apa yang dihitung dari dependent variable ini adalah dependent variable, the reading comprehension itu dihitung untuk mengetahui kemampuan murid dalam memahami membaca dalam bahasa Inggris, dan hal ini dihitung dengan menggunakan reading comprehension text. And the next is, what is the design I will use in this research is design two group of text design, and the sample will be two independent group of students. It divided an experimental group and one control group. And I use Mann-Whitney Hughes test for the statistical analysis. Why I use this test? Because the study compared to independent group, and the dependent variable is measured numerically. And the next is the data are normally distributed. And the last is the sample size is relatively small. And the next is about the case. The case in this research is researcher conducted an experimental study to examine the effectiveness of interactive digital storybook on EFL student reading comprehension. Two groups of students were involved. The first is experimental group, and the next is control group. And as I said before, the experimental group will be using interactive digital storybook, and the control group will be using conventional printed text for their so the researchers want to know about their reading comprehension in English. After the treatment, both groups were given a reading comprehension test because datanya itu tidak normally distributed. So, a non-parametric statistical test was applied. And as you see, the data is in above. Data, you can see the data, and after we get all the data, and as you can see, the first step is developing hypothesis. Jadi kita mengembangkan hypothesis. The hypothesis null is there is no significant difference between students' reading comprehension using interactive digital storybooks and those who do not. And the alternative hypothesis is there is a significant difference between students' reading comprehension using interactive digital storybook and those who do not. And after the developing hypothesis, you can follow the step by step while you using SPSS. So this is the result when you following step by step before, and the result said that the p-value is less than 0.05. So the null hypothesis is rejected. And then the next is about correlation research. And what I use in correlation research is the relationship between students' perception of English subtitle usage in YouTube learning videos and academic vocabulary mastery among EFL students. And the research problem is there a significant relationship between English subtitle usage in YouTube learning videos and academic vocabulary mastery among EFL students? And then the next is about variables. And the variable of this research is divided by two variables. The first is variable X. The variable X is students' perception of English subtitle usage in YouTube learning videos. The data will collected by Likert scale, so the data will ordinal. And the variable Y is academic vocabulary mastery, and the data collected by test score, so the data will be interval. And the next is statistical analysis. For the statistical analysis, I use Spearman rank correlation. Why I use it? Because the study examines the relationship between two variables. And the second is the subtitle usage data are measured using a Likert scale, so the data will be ordinal. And of course, the data are not normally distributed, and Spearman correlation is appropriate for non-parametric data. And for the case, you can see the case that I made before. And now you can see the data that the researcher get from the university student that as a EFL student. And after you see the data, you can following the step. The first step is developing hypothesis. Of course, the hypothesis divided by two hypotheses. The first is null hypothesis. The null hypothesis is there is no significant relationship between students' perception of English subtitle usage in YouTube learning videos and their vocabulary scores. And the second hypothesis is alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is there is a significant relationship between student perception of English subtitle usage in YouTube learning videos and their vocabulary scores. And after that, you get the result. This is the result. As you can see, that the coefficient of correlation is 0.971. This indicate a very strong positive correlation between students' perception of English subtitle usage in YouTube learning videos and their academic vocabulary mastery. And for the p-value, you can see that the p-value is less than 0.05. The data said that it's less than 0.001. So, since the p-value is smaller than 0.05, the null hypothesis is rejected. So, the conclusion is there is a significant relationship between students' perception of English subtitle usage in YouTube learning video and their vocabulary scores.